Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at number 33 here, London Bridge, as a duet. And the first thing is they're reinforcing the do tongue for the slurring. And you want to make sure you're doing that to-do. And locking in that setup. The other thing is that you're counting carefully when you get into your rests. So in the A section, you play your 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next part, you have a measure of rest where you count 1, 2, 3, 4 without playing, while the other person plays, and you want to maintain that steady tempo. The other thing, as you're going through that, is you're going to hear, if you play it as a duet, other people playing some notes, some pitches that are different from what you have. So you want to make sure when you hear something different that you're used to keeping going and not letting that throw you off. And here we go, 33. Let's start. You got this speed. 1, 2, 3. Here is part B. So now, I'm going to take the same song, and we're going to kick it up a bit, because I feel it needs to move a little bit. 2, 3, no, 1 time here. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Rest. Here's part B. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.